Christians, my friends, foolish born-again Christians who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah, Zoe once again. You know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions. Very relevant. Don't be offended. Better music. Alright, tie. Many so time me who we are see me no. And I yesu beba maybe sanebia na wengo. Fise free tete, a Christopher see Jesus is coming soon 20 years ago. And so still I won't do. Common sense in judgment in answer that why you garden of feeding, Onyankopon said we are the wembu. Yeah. To be on the map on sama went to. We was a bon sama me bonia me kojebo. When you blasphemy, but me who say it make sense. On the ball me or mama journey for self defense. When I go bob on some somebody paya bonia, I then I won't kun inferiority to avoid more offense. But when kumbun sam no kone ba. Before then, we be kuhumu binkeka. Or not this room for when temene aquanantena. Na jana jatia sasso na jebesha manager konya. Hey, who be the enemy? Samoka sebon samoa a Sunday so funny. O Christonia unido, munyame sumponi. Na mobon paye tututu na bruni make more money. And pabon severe economy, so shut up. Use the common sense. Dear Jumade boa woman nenya with daily bread. Na two we japa dear who fence. O kwa sorry you one ko body nana church. Utu esika de most of na yire na wekesh. Onyankopon we need bank account. Nyame so pane so bepe kakra ko hwenyanka. Utu ya wo tight, tu ya wo dues, emu dollar pounds. And so make us say you be pound sorry akodim pampa. With all due respect, ya marry asa me sum nyame o. Onyankopon boy say ye me so me yan ho. Enti we ye lawyer nia, we ye doctor nia, we ye teacher nia, di no kure eno ano no. CSF Abraham be Moshe. Na yeton kante man ka Ghana antiti say religion ti kam ye say nyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yen kocha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a ye frɛ wo sɛn o se frɛ me Frederick. And so be hu broni bi a ye frɛ no Kofi Konto. Ya yera identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni say ne kete da so abibeni mbobo. Adwene ne ho abode ne bre. Obi ne ho a wɔtwe abebe sika da ho a wɔmpɛ. Wa broni ka pra ye de to ahwe de. Enti Africa yanto ye ne meye be ye mobo. Ye frɛ me zo we nwum ne ye me bɔ mo kokko.
Mr. Benji on the beat.
And come share wo and come share ye adwuma and come share ka 5 ministry Ephesians 5-fold ministry no and come share count Ephesians 4:11 and come share wo a difu adwuma wo but who bibia use common sense.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water.
Hi.
Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Who approach memu now pobia to be friga na mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria and yen for baku neton, open laser and yen for baku neton, open katia and yen for baku neton. Bipe bia upe biano and yen for baku neton. One your friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wadian so and chekrana wonsaka. U America, UK, Canada, wiase afa na nyina bebe bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time. Na me say Abi Express no ayese makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
Oh, I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Abushafo ebeda mu nyina ase na ya mamu nyina akwa ba enumbre bia wo bia e dia ba ende dwumedie ne so beda mu nyina ase CSF ewo odo a moyi a kire em se ewia no ye ba ye nyina ye beto ato adwene se de be ya ye man Ghana e be fa ne ntoma pefra na CSF wo eda mu nyina ase se de ye ba mode odo e be support dwumedie no desra mu a oba super na wa share video na mai afa nso ya ka kire mu ejuma na momboa na yemfa movement ne the next level by next week and I say next 2 weeks we beti enka e wo TV so TV station no bibi ntina me mpese me de betu anim sesi anti omo ye promo endra na twa promo no nti entwa by Monday na promo na ready na me the promo no aba betu mwanim afen so ye bra no brain camera no ebeda na sepa ye bra no brain camera obi bia wa support CSF in any way ebeda mu nyina ase ti ye bra no your message short one be the man ye bra na for security reasons nti eye binom eye adoye kromo mpese ye bebo mudin eja nti your short message be ebra ndra ye twa promo ni wie no be a short video bi say me de beda ye bra na se obi bia why bibia ma ye bia no ye da se pa enye easy kakra ye kwaye nim ha no enye respecter of person, we will say it as it is na tina ye mpese ye de ye ho ebekwa akwadwene ekuo bia no na amafu be kasa na wanum kasa esesa nti said ye somo from the one no ebekọ so asomo a akosi awie ye wabusia ya CSF ndipa ya de osaye pa ye nua be ma na obre camera no mem say edru bra ye ba be ko TV so ne ade na camera no ho abamfa so yi papa ti ya dana said that but wayebi papa binti abeda ase ya CSF nyina wo bia wo bibia betu de abeboa movement mo beboa na movement ne nkonanim for security reasons ne ya yembo nipa dodo di no eja obi wo a o businessman o na adwuma okobo ne dimpe na be affect the business ti yenua edase na de odon sabeke bia nyinhira edase ya CSF chia mu nyina. Yeah, ti CSF yadamu ase pa nya easy nya obia na on start movement bi say onya ne kromfo ema omo support no moye bi ya kakra de aka no na edoso nti ebesere mu ase monkoso a en support ye na ye nso ye ngu mani mu ase de biara da say say issues e koso wo oman ni mu a yentumi njai oman ni mu issues no na ye meka Bible na sem de ebe kopia no ye de ehwa disua ehun nim de kakra yeso wo no ebe bremu emenwumre ye ba besua de ye number na da wo no go person support through mobile money number na da wo no edin a registered no ene da nchen no ena person money transfer ya ene wase no eno ye translate P Black din mon support ye esremu na movement rin konenim eye mu a ene mo ekura ye mu a up to the director e beda wase third eye e beda wase mo gi atem didie ne ade nyina so still mo gusu a mo support ye you are supporting a good cause ebinom epese o be didi mu a mo boa ye na atem te duru ba bia na o mu didi CSF for atem obi antumi mbu ya bem ene ma ka kire mo say movement we ade a mi nsuro kura eni owuo o death eno de me mo obi ate ase eno ya de ba kwa mi nsuro kura owuo sanka ukumi ena wo betena se forever ene beye me ya na owu a mi mewu a wo so ye den a wo bewu abeto mo asamando ewrade eno kra na me de no ukumi ntam na me kwa asamando a se ye nko hoda me menim se adwuma me ye no enfunso obi eni ho me yi me yem ena me serve me generation tie bia ukumi na me koto nyame wo ho na obehu se me mafemu de bia na me nya class prophet e wa samando ana say dining prophet na me twen o obeba beto mu asamando why obeba why omo muku kwame nkroma nyina akase onipa obo pa o se wanyo eneku amesuale obetena say forever wa wuku JB dankwa wa wuku yana enti mama ne nya say na akwa ne yebeku no na fa ikosi agro na udi na weni su ni brew yes damu nyina ase yare na coronavirus na ba no enya de keto ena Ghana for dia dane mpaibo yare a wo almighty America kra yem hihye no every day na omu address we citizens no Donald Trump kasa na Senate ne kasa said the governors kasa said the beya ombe fight yare no na ye te wo be bompa ya be fra yi breakfast prayer enyumre ba Bible nim afei na yare no yare na jink na ewie no afei na using of hand sanitizers that day baby yenye 21st century tena ye nim se okokromba akorowonsa mo be kaya 2017 me ye video bi Natilat Yadahim the ritual washing of hand Jew for na okoromonsa ema adane amamre e be kire o Kristo ni akorowonsa be mu asema Jesus be ka kire wonne about nsa okoro na me ko kan ya obi si mimi didi Jesus atem say Jesus ye kodidi a wan horo ne nsa Kristo ni me mamu atiase be bie duru no enie me de kire mo simple be bie duru no simple mathematics simple mathematics we bufo bia anim obufu kra Jesus kra ente wase be bie duru no hand sanitizer over anointing oil be bie duru no Christopher nyina hunu se sana ade bi wo man Ghana mu a ya fa no hand sanitizer eno ene betumi ekum virus e wo yensa ho na enye anointing oil ada na nkofa so for sticker no enfrentalo huma so ada na nkofa so for sticker any anointing oil na siwu dem no na won fa no entalentale won sa na Christopher nyina wakoto hand sanitizer na mo sa okro won sa ti mo mati ase se baby ade ne duro no hand sanitizer over anointing oil na baby duro no scientist over prophet any scientist over prophet baby duro na nyampa ibo na yehia mama mo ani na ho na mo di agora che Ghana for egor ena wo mo ani so wow agro ewo mo ani so papa Ghana for baby duro no amenchira mo scientist scientist over prophet enye mo prophet na egu no enye wo na kokko mpa no ye enye mo talent cha no say see duro no we need scientists this the time cranker omo ye we herbal medicine for no ya be pay herbal medicine for no na ya fra from ya fra tabia ya fra time herbal na ya fra champion divine clinic no ana people like me boa me afre from me aka kira mo say aban oni omo akasa university student ya omo ye science ene gu a omo pa yi sika e dia ye research na Ghana afa na ye ka hand sanitizer ho asem say na ministry of health hand sanitizer baby a man for pet the cure to coronavirus no afa na hand sanitizers ene ye ni abre ho me ka kira mo baby adu na scientist over prophet over man of God omno gugu ano my ni na so for mu ko breakfast meeting we ya say na mu chia wada ne rasta men asofo Christ so mechi o mu nsem na say bishop o se wan no o madanka Williams Boza baby edu na dani Boza mo be ka no kra Jesus egwan anointing oil we egwan so for sticker we egwan abenfo nku we egwan ebrem nsuo we egwan opatako jefo afarobo we egwan wachina no pa mami sie bi pa eye tai for bokina o ba bo aho brana be bo afo de kese ni bi na ye bia akwan ma nyame ma tie mi woni nyame di pa bom puni mpu a na akwan bia ma wani su de bribri mo mwani su na bribri mo afa ni anhoro yensa wo be ka no kre mi be kire Jesus ya wo kire se o nsakra ma ehoro na wo die didi Bible no ene Quran no eye a cake books ye ka se a cake ya eye tete eye be 1500 years ago book. We are in the age of enlightenment. So we are in the age of Aquarius. There will age ya independent beer. Wake up. That's the time I can say, oh man, penny. After a meeting of scientists and herbalists, per solution. A god namudi organa. Say, be you to Nenisa. Ye be youth me say me wa wo ti ase ne wa nje me message an to mu a onana e ba da gimi ato onan ti mo hwe me mudidi matem nyina no mo grandchildren any great grandchildren CSF members ti me fa me ho wodi matem o we ni matem o your descendants will come and follow me your descendants your common sense family members pampi adaji anim kra adaji anim chena nybre ba ya ko Bible nim kakra ensa kokoro eyade ehu hia me pa chaw edura ya bodewuro ebeduru ebra bi na Ghana ha no asembade ye somu a ye ka ho asem kakra na ye twa so edura ebra bi se muna be kaya na omo ye advert bi o TV so kokoro nsa o fa seminar ye kokoro nsa o sabe na ekorela o seden ena na aba ena ye na kokoro nsa o 21st century ye dru ye wo wache sellers omo moton wache a wo koto wache na ode ne nsa de peso diti wache no macaroni talia no o peso ode ne nsa na esa eda no meme koto indomia maame no cabbage no ode ne nsa why na mami ode ne nsa sa talia sabe se ne to keka no a ne nsa ben na ode betiti ne to this is the time one omo moton suya de papa suya na branche wako jina suya ho ye nim de say udua aboch mamete chale aboch give me test na your mouth test no dia shire num na ode chale you hot wa chale give me one more join mimia aboch no o kwa akoto a aboch no me ba cha o misa question sekan no FD eduma wo say oye no enye ne say oba beka say man celebrities enye apetition and some advert you I was so deploying Crofogukrum University for the Enya Jumayan. No more monitor mo to aduane. Na nsenya Kumasi wait VIP station. Kumasi VIP station. Oko hwe be mo to aduane a KM fo ko ho a pa cho me bo me wadada o. Be samwa me bo me wadada nye coronavirus kra. Nya me ba fam corona so am kra mam be wunja mba pam chaw enie omo koya baby omo tun aduane me ba chaw aboch no ne nsa right e no dikura sekan e na ne nsa left no e ho ayangwa no dia so na minim ye gina ni tua o aboch de ne nsa left aboch so ye sala ne nso wo yusu semina minia ye hweniema di niema e wo Ghana ha ye ne ye ku ye ho we commit suicide with our own fingers Don't you know, say, any we say coronavirus, the aba ebe teaching sense. You know, me come Yariawe or Chiviasi, especially before Yansa. Oh, Safedi, before you go back Ghana for, you go back to Yabian. After you so precase, after you so Quintia, after you so pepper, after you so cakedro. That's what Jay Pizza did. When he down, Koro, oh, but I don't know what to buy. Or then, Japan, Koro, na. Yari on all but what he came on buy. Or Tikoro Lam, or Tik, when he down. You can't say, a year the garlic here. But when you start, after a month for a nim tree, no moon, nim tree. Be black, DJ Fuad, I don't pay. Yeah, I don't pay. DJ Fuad, why you focus brutal? You fiend, you fiend, a fiend. Yeah, wait, La Pam, wait, La Pam Hotel, La Pam, Paloma, Paloma Hotel. Oh, kwa cycle Paloma Hotel. Ni opposite gata bi da ho. Paloma Hotel opposite gata kakraka na da wono. Wonam wanwumbre ni ahomache a. Ko hwe emrantie ne maba wo a ene. Baby through even our bitches, we don't even know how to keep them clean. Ye nim gwasefo papa. Na ndi panne e de egu ho. Ensuo to 21st century bebia Ow. Garbage trucks saying the Ghana. Garbage trucks. Now you $100 million. And you be see us all night. Accra ho boba every Israel. That you make us so. Yang makacham you influence, but you need power. Mo amukura power no. Mo better no minus say ya. You net him. Says ya be die. Now a baby dem pose after coronavirus no. Country be close the border see in two kwan. Country be close the border see in two kwan. Empanyimfo no yale achimwa. Ye de mu nyina be kokolebu. Ye de mu nyina be koji. Ye nyina be wu agukromu a. Sanka country be close the border. Na momo yare a na ma kwatena play mu olamam na moko. Be bia wi ase duru ani bia ba de ko gwa. Ye guso ekọ toilet e wa ye bitches. Like on ya shona call your chon oguna. Where you has making 21st century. I feel na kokoro wonsa. You be ko Bible nim. Why? Ko Bible ni akọ Quran. Me say Bible ne Quran ya cake books. Oba ye unkre ni ya unkre ni. Oba ye Kristo ni afa me mwati ase books no mo tro ya che. Why? Ya ko Bible nim. I mean some de Kumasi KM for koye. E wo VIP bus terminal ho. Hwe be bia ni petna didi.
The Asafo Newplan Bus Terminal is host to many eateries, popularly called chop bars. It is also home to some of the most unhygienic places in the city. The sanitation enforcement team uncovered food sold in many of the chop bars were prepared in the midst of unimaginably filthy environment. Foul-smelling, choked gutters filled with decomposing organic matter sits at the center of these spaces which serve as kitchen for these eateries. Just within the premises of some of the chop bars, we found foul-smelling stagnated pools of water just a smelling distance from where clients sit to eat.
Look at the place. Huh? Look at the whole environment. Why do you cook and sell to the public under this environment? We are going to close the entire facility. We are not going to allow you to eat food.
In the midst of this squalor, the food being sold was uncovered, forcing leader of the team and the Metro Environmental Health Officer Isaac Basanyin to order for the seizure of food prepared for sale.
So what try to say the many power exposed them. Maybe I don't one in the environment. I know the answer. Yeah, Emma won't know the answer. Emma won't talk about my for. Who is that here? Come. It you are trying to mamma for now. You say, Emma. What ton are dear man for a D? Now I expose in the sun. Eh, your best is at the end of every say. Faisal. Now, yeah, they work out. If you say ye nya kwan ma wo nko
enya no mo aso abochi no enya abochi ni apa ni I say so abochi baby omo to aduane omo ton sanami sieve bi ani ho ne dana once na nam so no de nsa left yi no to di bi mu ono abochi na we twa baby enam wo no de abomekom no de ahada funchem na ni hu fi na gloves kura won shebi gloves kura won shebi nya Ghana ni o free ni kuro mbeku Ghana fo so kwa hyiama baby omo ye abochi nam no hwe me nia wa ko hu di omo ye nam ne flat e the spices no wono e di gu wiem na once na bo ampe wo so na once na e bi to dam na e bi to chacha wo so on wi abochi nam di biom but e de ye nam ni jai ewi ni jai be ye ya
no sika wo penti o mamamfo enyare. Let's dismantle the whole thing. The whole thing must be dismantled.
Two commercial milling machines found to be milling vegetables at the terminal was dirty, rusty, and tied with filthy-looking clothing. In all, 7 chop bars and 2 milling machine operators were served with summons to appear before court next week. Leader of the team, Isaac Basanyin, had a warning for food vendors.
We've come to this bar, chop bar. One, the water that they are using in selling is very, very bad. When you go there, there's a well not protected, unhygienic. It's a well that at least every human being should not use that to cook for public consumption, or even individual consumption is not the best. And then the items within where they are cooking is very bad. So we think we need to close the entire facility for them to change everything before we can, to improve on whatever they have done before we can ask them. However, we are asking them to come to court. We have issued a summons for them to come to court. We want to explain why they are using, one, that water in cooking to the public, two, in cooking within this filthy environment. We think it's not the best. People need to change. You are selling to the public. Why do you think about your money and then not thinking about the welfare or the health of the public? If you are able to use this water to cook for the public, then you need to be punished. So we have first closed the staff facility, and then we are taking the person to court.
Your area could be next. Keep Kumasi clean. Make Kumasi clean again.
They don't understand Salama.
Miniano, sad, papa. Come deep, yes, I'm on some to court. Yes, I mean, Ebia, no, Cassie, ye jump Mamma Santo. Wow, I'm running Juma on my way. One day be paid, no, you pay for solid. No more come what to say, the Maria Juma, him, near castle. Eh? Let be a catch now. Messi, a soldier for Negu, a soldier for Nebibia, or much I get you 2 weeks. Messi Ghana. Yen create sanitation task force. Soldier for Nenam choba no druwa. We be sa senti nsuo we ya wo de ye aduane ama ni pay. Ko very sad. Yes sad. Baby etra to aduane. Very sad. Oh. We are our own enemies. We go di aduane we now yare. I saw them say, Father, in the name of Jesus. He said, where Jimmy Abewu? Where Jimmy Abewu is simple. Ghana pony Nigeria, they are born corn. Nigeria, and you can say Kasaba health. Wow, you special. Oh, wako choba, wako to fufu neni ayeko. I say Charlie, the plantain plenty. Now, fufu wo fia plantain say na di tu. Eyangu koko. Omu wo fufu na choba. omo wo fufuo na no mo de omo nsa bo engo kokko no mo de afa ni na fufuo na ye ko sa no say plantain dey inside na wa oyire wo fufuo am plantain say na wo akoto konkonte egbe konkonte ne nkate nkwan ne pi o se chale mame na ye fie nkwan una yi chop money man eye sam ni konkonte na mo de gu nkwan ni na ye trek sa no menua ye di niama woni magi sa we monosodium glutamate monosodium glutamate no mo de gum magi fitai ye de hyefunu no mo de awono so to some magi gum tin tomatoes na branche to water friend and sound be na sound water friend chale mame tifufo no tuisi di kan bra obawu o corona ba yo sa fo bia start didi wo fie afa ni edi ayi apesie ni abomu akra ti o se nkurasifo agim nim trees wo da echi we hu fa so da corona ba amanfo tete ahaba obi ada ne herbalist koro yare de nya yizo yare na nya bete mami yi di akoso we yi nchira ya ma yeni na ho there's the time we need scientists mpai body ya da ase asofo wa ye bi ya da mo ase papa Ghana fo asofo wa ye bi nde nwumbre yi boma baso P Black Ghana fo asofo ye bi ama Ghana wa ye bi ebure mu nsu amaton abeyimfo nkun oyel akwankyera mo ama Kofini ama mo agye wo Ghana fo asofo P Black omo fata nsembo P Black nsembo Ghana fo asofo enanyum brei common sense family officially ye tu chema mo aye bi ya da mo ase be bi edru na ye mo pe be bi ntra na ma scientist nya dwuma no egor na mo di wo Ghana ha tie diaba Ghana be di agro say o be 72 hours fasting agro ne wo weni so agro pa ne wo weni so no 72 hours fasting no na enyo na so ye nyame nipa ye fasting ma Ghana ada wo ye funu ye hye mu concrete ya be na so eduru fasting je na so o je correction tight na so kiro bi mo ka se ye jimijimi wo ye nyamba lesson so we ye bie kwam tie Italy mpo ga dia koso ye ntra Ghana ne fa yare ni dia agro tie
Italy has reported the highest one-day death toll from coronavirus than any other country. Officials said nearly 500 people died on Wednesday. Videos posted on social media are said to show military trucks in the city of Bergamo preparing to transport the dead to nearby cities. Mortuaries and crematoriums in Bergamo have run out of space. Medical teams from China have arrived to help authorities fight the virus. The governor of Italy's hardest-hit region made this appeal to medical students and retired healthcare workers.
I want to appeal to all of these doctors and nurses. Make yourselves available and lend us a hand in these trying times. In my opinion, through the cooperation and availability of these professional health workers, we can find important answers to the challenges we face.
Let's bring in journalist Seema Gupta, who's standing by.
Tiabusia for yesramo yariana banye we are signing any break we are signing any break magana and tell fendi agro mo say $100 million ya mo de fight ya ni be bia say scan above say scan na from me na ebo say scan above say mayo ye nim ye di agro Ghana P Black ya said your Bible na de chire ya kwa chire Bible ni ye wi ayen ko pepe bi ni ende eja ya de chale edro na manu P Black me ahuna nanu mo we ni kosu ya na ye blue no e be kakra me no ka se bi mo P Black we ni na ye blue no che odi am no yo ebusia ja ye de munim se Bible na de ye adwuma che na no ya ba Bible de so ye be kokora nem kakra insa wokro e wo Old Testament na nu mpo no na e wo ho e de ma Levifo no but Jewfo no wa mamre bi me explain kakra bi de a kire there is a little bit of Judaism in me still. They make sense. There is a little bit of Christianity in me. Baby, make sense. There is a little bit of Islam in me. Baby, make sense. There is a little bit of Shintoism. If assembling all the senses, all the logic part in religion is common sense family. Baby, you making sense be no common sense ye too. What you say? Jew for wa mambre bi say oko market na wo ba kokoro wonsa. Jesus se kra condemn and when ni Bible nim eye empenyumfo tetesem. It said your first no. Na ye nananom say ye hye dwale a ye nto nwom anadwo ye mpra anamebwa obekom no na ye nananom wo good reason ti anom ye den omo yesa men twen na asem ne yanka kire say nyankopon say enkremofo di emra bi so omudi so because e wo Quran nim mekotu eno so di akire onti copy black Exodus chapter 30 verse 17 to 21 read the Bible for me.
Exodus 30:17.
Exodus chapter 30 verse 17.
What's the catch Moses say?
Yamfa ne sa Ewrade bianka we Jew for na atrum book no dia hye Ewrade ba de yamfa ne sa o say Ewrade catch the Moses say
fa yawa ye kudu so
onfa yawa enye bowl onye bowl bi to aso
na senso yawa
na se ne ye brass yawa
na odele mu
said ye be ya ye be dwalim asofo no asofo ni be dwalim we na yan kremofo kotu as alwola no but we nya alwola we na ho ma lewifo ene asofo no ombe wokro ho ansa omo akọ asodan ni people like to aso
was the first ishef madan no
na omo fancy ehia ntomadan na no ene afori buchi an ntem
na gomusu
na onfa ensuo engusa ya wanim
na Aaron ne ma ho wonsa
na Aaron ene ne ma ti anu kra ni ho for Israel fo nyina to we enkremoni na ukotu Bible di e supporto alwala the pacho wrong na Aaron ne ma omo ye the Levites and the priest no omo fa nhuru omo ho ene wonan ho
na so ko shiri shiatu madan mu a
na se omo ko enhiatu madan mu a
wo fa ensuo horo na ho
omo fa ensuo ohuru wonan ho
na wonwu
se de be ya wonwu
ana se obe afabuchi an abesum abebo di afode amewrade a
ana se omo ben aforibuchi ano abebo afode amewrade a
omo wonsa ne wonan ho
omo ngokuru omo nsa ene omo nan ho
na wonwu
se de be ya wonwu
na nye da atumodi ema omo
na nye everlasting covenant ema Aaron ene ne ma no one na sefo
wa to so nyina mu
wan go to so nyina mu enti we eye the law ebra na Jewfo yemfa na sa omo say temple ne wo no aso dan na ebubu na ye ko fa mu abo baba Ghana no na asofo ne bekomu a omo wokro mo ho ene omo nsa ho kamanti nsa wokro Old Testament body bi ani ba Jewfo ne wade be fa na natilati yadayim Jewfo ne say se woda na osole a omo ritual washing of hand refi west nimpo ba me try se be kaya oda na osole a na wa okro unso hwemu nti Jew ni oda sole a onso BBM omo true explanation number 1 omo say wada no demons ebedi agro wo wonsem Jewish myth ebi no demons ebedi agro wo wonsem nti wo sole na ebi a wo de wonsa efa wanimu a against one kasa nti wo sole pe kokoro wonsa ti said ya okoro yensa yo said ye no wo be okoro na wa ye ujia na wa dry wonsa anamebwa na wa dry wonsa o dry wonsa ni via na we peja wonsa sei na waka prayer bi Baruch ata Adonai Eloheinu Melika Olem Kisha refi Baruch ata Adonai Eloheinu Melika Olem Asha Krishenu Natilat Yadayim Natilat Yadayim no wow refi prayer ne kakreja ye dwa Jewfo ne nti wow na wa ka prayer die nti omo se wokro wonsa ne se bia wada no na wano so nsuo na ode wonsa apepa bia wada no because wada no wonim de wo ye bia wada no na ode wonsa sa dia me kire wo Jesus e be condemn ma Jesus ya kasa se wo be didi amenye den me woro wonsa Kristo ni a wonim after quoting this verse na wo be didi na be woro wonsa no me dia nto abebu dua because Jesus ya woro wonsa Jew for the say bia wada no na wo hwenimu keka because wada unim ade a wo ye na wo de wonsa hye wo hwenim ana wasum keka ana wo chochoro wutrim oba bi oho a wa ye pemi eguso ache owabo rasta emu bon na wetitim nti efia ba wonsa ho mo sie bia wo de mwanimu ampam chew wanimu a bia oba wada no obi de nsa be hye ne nantem be ma bi oho bia nadwo no na oto keka na wo ye wonsa tia sei na wo de shift box ano It's what that it's good to one side say and now ship to box and now we see what to kwine no edwe odidi dia ubenya we ubenya typhoid fever ubewu enti you for the say hey oh nyame adwuma na mo ye ni say wow okay eno na nchen so so la woro nsa wow good after you for the say opie na obefia woro nsa even your mobile phone na yekura ya kirawo James wo ho a oye mbehyew wo door handle oye mbehyew even pipe na wo kwa kobie na dia woro nsa no eye ensefin no na ade bie pipe no owie na wo hye o hands owie na ade clean hand no esan ko close tap na efin wo no nti omo say very complicated o say okoro yensa na eboa ye nyina unam wadamfo bi ba owu na chale what's up chale na uchia na wadamfo no so feel public toilet wan okoro ne nsa say woti ne to eda na hyiama ebra na ye to ade wo kam no sister bi ono ton kosua ne meko na sister yi su kosua na ne nsesi ne to yes kosiani meko na this is what we kosiani meko kosia no say yeah ni so di oti ni to yi ebi ti o hwinim utokosua ka opentem oyi kosua na kika sa repapapapa wa pai mutu weti meko cho ogia na so di ahyewa no pam modom kosua na fa mamutu kan bra ubewu wo ti yes brother men say yo enibresem en ye kan enumbre enumbre enibresem papa ye kan nti oba fi school ba so mo wash your hands me man na kiso ti o sesere no muswa omo ye nketenketa me kire mo sa di we say that nya ya ye fie ne nya happiness ya ensuo si gate ya no obewura ye fie kura ba wash your hands and we wura fie because obewura ho no obewura ye fie no ye nim ade a wasom o de be so door handle ye door ne handle na wo bia o de fie na ka door handle it can kill us menia se wo hu yem na wo bacteria se gu yem ne se de wo yem aya kwa akoda mo ya operation ba chonti sa sem we na jiwfo se eya wohoro nsa eya sempa na semone Jesus ba be condemn sa sem we yo Mark chapter 7 verse 1 Mark 7:1 tie
Mark 7:1 was it ena Pharisee
wan kasa nam we the last time I found the wema won kai the wema sunsundro the last time I will fair be won kai mebwa the last time I found the wema won kai wa hwenam anadwo na wo hwi meat no boginisi guso wo didi rough yenka se ginisi nye no bie pia anadwo na waji kiba na waji we gizzard na waji sausage na waji smirnoff na waji guinness na wonom na wotwe tai kwa amunanya agbonashi one day born one day die hey chale wiase fem ko baby aw hey ye jene wiase asay hey mane ka se jene wiase asay brother ubewu no guso twe ya pomu de mu hia yen ya cho Cristiano Ronaldo kwan fa so didi a ye be hye 34 to 35 years hwe de won ne mrantia na face so bia nhwe de didi ye coronavirus abekire ye nyansa enne eduane amene me man ye na nya eduane keto awo hwe se de nde pan ye twitwa garlic e twitwa gisu ede ginger ye won the cabbage yes na kosua nam ho fe de obie didi asese echira hwe pizza bia na ye kogege ya ye focus koro me say me ye light soup bi light soup na me ye no sabe echen ye dura ye de kwa akosa light soup no se de ka keduro ne garlic ne hwentia ne pepper esuwo no echen ye dura ye de kwasa to bi ka chem se nya nkwan na me ye ne duro na me ye no ye kunu nyansa didi se ya enye ne sa ba ye se ye boost immune system timi ni ayema ni na ho Mark 7 ensa kokoro na jiwfo se we pie waba we chia wo bi ipade free ghetto we bio free toilet wow oni me bio free market kra table mami ahehye niema wo so table no hehye enam ne wo so no ontwitwi so na enam gu so na enam ye nkata so na wansra sisi so na mami kura papa na opra ho wansna awura ko sam ya ti Jew for the say ufi kromu ba ofa taxi ofa Uber ofa yango ofa dropping ubie door gate no enye won kwa na wafa sa we taxi no o tra trotrom o de won sa won sa trotro utinemu a seat na wo wenim no o de won sa to so the whole day onim ni padodo o de won sa to so onim be obi fi o de sa to so it's very dangerous. And every day your hands are picking bacteria that we cannot see with our eyes. To be every day. Mark chapter 7 verse 1. And Sahuru ya can once me. Jesus say and matron hand washing versus Jesus. Where is the sense? Jesus can say Yanko. Acts 7:1.
What's that Pharisee for?
And your Acts be black. Mark chapter 7 verse 1. Can you say?
What's ena Pharisee for?
Ena Pharisee for.
Any atrefo binum alfi Jerusalem no.
Any atrefo ni bia omu free Jerusalem no. Eba Jesus nchen.
Ehunu esiafo bi say what is a fee.
Eno hunu say esuafo no ahana ti. Esuafo no edi ensefin. Ene say.
Ensa wan horo edipa no.
Ensa yen kokore omu dididi. Baby Peter, Enyedri, Andrew, Bartholomew, Philip, Judas, Matthew, baby for Enyedru, Penyin to touch omu didi, omu anhoro monsa. Enyo mo foto. Omo master Jesus na nkasa, odidi onhoro nensa. Min ko tu nchira. Onu Jesus ibedidi wa onhoro nensa. Obi kwakan ya, Jesus ni pan mo mi yakwase ya. Penyin toto 33 years gentleman. We see we Yankopon ba. Or did you on Horonensa? Sunday suya for nesuya. Me ko to Jesus the achero. People like Yankon haya. We are ya betray Jesus. People like kind of
was it Pharisee for you that for nyina.
Pharisee for the Jew for nyina.
Na say who won say year.
Pharisee for the Jew for nyina. Say omo ahokro omo nse jia. Wondidi. Omu ankro mu nse yi a omu didi na maka kire on natilat yadayim wa ankro nse ya wondidi oda soli akokro wonsa ukokro mba akokro wonsa ma kire wo eno na Pharisee for say no Jesus we sure for nanyi wo hwe bibia Peter enye duru ya wa ankro ne nse odidi burodo ya a problem Ghana at the same time yenim say wo bedi fufu akokro wonsa wo bedi bunch apesia kokoronsa ubedi konkonte die huo kokoronsa tuo zafi kokoronsa ye mudu do sen e de to eburo ne nkatia ye horo yensa why na to meat pie o horo ne sas wedi why na to go fruit wa o horo ne sas wedi why na to agbilikakro o horo ne sas wedi oh ye na ye fall short e was anyema we mu ye ntia se yensa no esesa nyema bebra e was ye horo yensa muntie de Jesus e ba Pharisee for na be criticize pe pa chawo Pharisee for the criticism no are positive. You don't need God to tell you say who did you akokoro wonsa. Tiem yie. Ti Nyankopon friendship book mu say who did you akokoro wonsa. Answer we hunu say ye did ya horo yensa. Into people like Nyabotre kenkan. Na yemba bem.
What if say?
If we say
we campaign for tsemu.
Omukura empenyufo atitesem. To say the African so ye won penyufo atitesem every Wednesday Tuesday ye nkwafuom. Wow. Be black Tuesday yankopo anamebwa ene sa mamre no na Jew for no obi omukrem to aswe
na so fi idase ba
enti say Jew for the free market ba
na wan ho won ho a
na say omu anhokoro omunsa ene fe na natilati yadayim omu anye sa ade na omu ndidi
na ene ofiri ka ho a oje se omutam
ene mepi wo ho a Jew for no onim kwan say usom
enkowa
even a bowl ufi kromu ba ufi school ba woda sole na wonye sa natilati yadayim ritual washing of hands na chance kura men som ko di fin aka no men bie men touch bibia to aso
any corbesen
any
enemu horo
any bibia nyeme atre kura no woron sans waso atre ni to aso
ena Pharisee for no any atrefo bisan say
any atrefo ni bisa bra Jesus say
na kana usua for any pen what sense wo
Jesus aden na wosuafo empenyimfo mpenyintoto omudi omunsa ayefin edidia omwendi empenyimfo atetesem so
na wode se fi edidi
na wode ensa ayefin didi ebusuye tie Jesus ebeka omudi nsefin edidi ebusuye mepa achew logic and common sense why we ye penyini oni won krofo nam omunsa wa yefin na penyini bi aka se fufu a edisi mwani mu anhoro munsa na mudi a we ye leader beka se Peter, Andrew, Adam Refiana, Monkrobonsa, na James betumi ekum. Hwe de Jesus be kakan.
Was that Obasan won say?
And Jesus a catcher Pharisee for the say.
It is a Shamunya transform kom.
Or see Pharisee for the crackers as a hypocrite. Pharisee ni catcher Peter say Peter ni all grown in sano. Jesus is a hypocrite. One say you read the Bible with your heart. I read the book with my head. Tina me hu niam we nyina no. And Jesus say Pharisee for the hypocrite. To swear.
Say what you say.
Say the yatro say.
O me de ma no ene bi edimili.
Yatro Isaiah say Pharisee for the omo ano ene di Nyankopon ni.
Na obakoma de.
Na omo akoma de.
Etwe fi mi cheko echichi.
Atwe fi Nyankopon ko echichi.
Na osore be kwa.
Omo kwa asole kwa.
Wo cheche ensem onipa ahye.
Omo kyerɛkyerɛ ensem wo nipa ahyehye.
Omo de Nyankopon ahye.
Omo gya Onyankopon ahyɛde no.
Na omo kwa nipa tsem.
Ɛna omo kura enipa atetesem mu.
Na oso say.
Na Jesus eka kyerɛ Pharisee for the say.
Mo ya de say.
Mo ya de say.
Mo kwa Nyankopon ahyɛde.
Mo ya de say. Mo gya Onyankopon ahyɛde. Said ya be ya mo bedi mo atetesem so. Enti Jesus ekura condemn Pharisee for the say. Empenyu fa atetesem no mo de aba no. Problem wo ho. Na Pharisee for no egya Nyankopon ahyɛde ya. Jesus kasa awoboa. Matthew chapter 5 verse 20. Ti de Jesus ya. O say Pharisee for egya Nyankopon mra. Said ya be yo bedi atetesem so no. Hwɛ de Jesus e ka fa Pharisee for. Jesus on kan kura wo. Jesus on can credit so media. On can credit so media manka. Can
Matthew 5:20.
Matthew 5:20.
Na mese mo say.
Jesus say, although all condemn Pharisee for no. Ahan so Jesus say, mese mo say.
Na se mo tini ambro twefo.
Se mo tini ambro atwefo.
Any Pharisee for dey so a.
Any Pharisee for dey so a.
Mo Nyankopon hini mo nhye ne.
Munya heaven nko. Any Jesus on say Pharisee for di Nyankopon asem so no. Na ye de na Jesus ye ka say, se mo tini ne mo papaye. Amro Pharisee any atwerefo de ne so a onko heaven ma me bisa Ghana ni ben ena na brabo edur Pharisee ni Bible mu mra eye 613 Pharisee ni to be reciting na o Bible mu mra say na ni Hebrew fa bro fana kan Matthew 5:20 Shay ya relax free Bible no mo go say ya saba ya tikpem wo man ni mu e beba so yes Matthew chapter 5 verse 20.
I tell you
that
you will be able to enter the kingdom of heaven.
You will be and I will not be.
I tell you then
that
you will be able to enter the kingdom of heaven.
You will be able to enter the kingdom of heaven.
Only if you are faithful.
Only if you are faithful.
Than the teachers of the law.
Than the teachers of the law.
And the Pharisees.
Yeah. Okay. Didn't Jesus contradict no? By emphasis. Be black. Verse 14. Why? Mark 7, verse 14. In 51 there, topic no papa. Verse 14. Mark 7 verse 14.
What's that? A friend of Konina ever in chain.
Afei Jesus a condemn Pharisee for no. Say Pharisee for the catch the esuya for the say. Omo go kro mo nsa no. Penyin to Peter wan horo ne nsa. Andrew wan horo ne nsa. En wo didi. Afei tie de Jesus ebeka. Men kan chem say Jesus ebu be. Na Jesus wi a ono ebesa so ayeden. A kire m. Kan
na ofre kofo na eba ne chen.
En Jesus frɛ crowd ne ba ne nchen. En o ka kire crowd ne say. Munyina muntie. Na muntie ase. Listen and understand. Obeti ade nso a you need common sense. People like we eyebe. People like tie na tie ase eyebe. Just say logic agenda with him. Enti Jesus ibechirim. Jesus nyanse nyina obi enti kan.
Wasu na muntie ase.
Munyina muntie na muntie ase.
Na bibia eni onipa ho.
Bibia ni onipa oho tio. Oho. Tie. Se mfifre o. Sa won se ti toilet o tie se coronavirus wo won sa wo ananka wo bibia ni onipa wo ekọ wu mu ebetumi egu hu fi to atwe na obi wo aso a ontie ti Jesus kan say bibia ni onipa wo ho ebekọ wu mu a ebegu hu fi no e no se de o waso wontie aso no so kire adwene cause waso no ye kasa wo de waso ne tie na adwene na ye den adwene ho eye be a mo hwe de ye ba to aso e
wo se ofrinkrofo ni nche e ba fie no
na Jesus free enkrofo ni nchen e ba fie no
esuafo na ebisa na ebe na se
na esuafo na adwene ni se Jesus ibu be enti ha na nye be o na esuafo bisa Jesus say Jesus e be na ubu ye say bibi biare ni onipa ho ekoni mu ebegu ni hu fie no asechire ne sen
na oso se
na Jesus ka kire Peter, Andrew, Bartholomew, Thomas Matthias eno ka kire suafo de say
na mo so mu ni ntiase sei
ti mo so common sense abo mu say mu ni ntiase sei
na mu se ade bia efi onipa ho
mu say ade biara o repeat enye be ade biara ayefri onipa ho coronavirus say get toilet ede efi biara ayefri onipa ho
na ekono mu no
na ekowu udi hyebenum na ekowu mu no
entumi ngu ne ho fi
enu entumi ngu ho fi
na se enko na kuma mu
esan say yes say toilet na wedi o coronavirus enko wakomem
na eko oyefunu
na mum ebeko oyefunu
na efre buya ne
na wasan ko toilet na eko
na oka woni ti eduane na ho
na oka wei editi eduane nyina ho question mark the original Greek question for King James Bible na question mark ho but other Bibles no we question mark ni frame to be say oka wei diti eduane ho ana enti people are kind
na oka say
dey
free oni pemu ba no
Jesus eto aso dey free oni pemu ba no
eno na gu nipa ho fi
eno na gu onipa ho fi
na eni pemu
na eni pemu
omakuma mu na edwa adwenbone efiba
nipa akumem ena adwenbone ti am Jesus ye condemn say won sa ye fi na didi enye problem coronavirus wo ho enhohoro enye problem eno engu ho fi eno ebekọ yefum na wan egu ti mo horo mo nsa people are to aso kan
edwumansem
people bo point bi on kan yesere na eni pemu
omakuma mu na adwenbone efiba
onipa wakumem na adwenbone friba
edwumansem
wakumem ena edwumansem friba kronosem ewudisem ayerfasem eni bresem emumuyo esisie ahohwie eni bone ebususem ahantan eni nkwasiasem
na ne boni na afiri pemu na eba
na ne boni nyina afiri ni pemu na eba
na egu nipa ho fi
na eno na egu nipa ho fi to aso Matthew dia no Matthew 15 ko verse 16 point bi ho one of the what they say one hore yendidi a problem bi and the same as Matthew people are Matthew dia no
Matthew 15 verse 14 coming
Matthew 15 verse 14 thank you people black Matthew 15:14 Jesus or the Pharisee for no osimunya Pharisee for no Pharisee for the yenifrafo wo na wo horo wo nsa na Pharisee ni se horo no osi Pharisee for the yenifrafo a wo kire onifreni kwan
na so onifreni kire onifreni kwan a
na se onifreni kire onifreni kwan a omumienu nyina beto abenem
na Petro ebuasense
na Peter ebisa Jesus where Matthew chapter 15 verse 14 ana 14 going and Peter ebisa Jesus say Jesus ebeno the same as ebeno kyeranyase and was say
musumu da so entiasia
musumu da so entiasiara
na
muhunu say
ade bi ekọ enum no
ade biara ekọ nipa wenum no
ekọ yefunumu
ntina omonsa ho na yefin ekọ yefunum
na eyigu ya ne
na wakọ toilet na we yegu ya ni
na de free enum efree edie no
na de free nipa enum free edie no efree nipa akomem
eno na egu nipa
eno na egu nipa ho fin
na akomem na adwenbone
ewudisem ayerefasem edwamansem ewifusem adansikurumu ni ebususem free
wenum ni niema egu nipa ho fin
wenum ni niema egu nipa ho fin
na wode sa wanhoro edidi a
na se wode ensa yan hokoro ye edidi a engu nipa ho fi tie Jesus says won sa wa ye fi a obetum dia yadan edidi na problem bi anim ampa ono Jesus ankasa odidi a wanya dan onhoro ne nsa nyankopon bemua 33 years bebia wanyi aduri Jesus say people are kind of no bebia point no one verse 14 you go to Bible out of context ko be sa for question but Jesus obedidi wa horo ne nsa obi kwakam so onipa ne mom yakwasia odidi atemo ama ne san omo party na sigina betro Jesus o twada pa rough ni subai na so for this yan Jesus odidi atem rough
Matthew 15
we free education and RMG riri can common sense is free you don't have to pay for it thank you lawyer Bafobon more fire Lydia J more fire people are Kambabro no Matthew chapter 15 verse 15
then Peter spoke up explain these things to us Jesus said to them you are still no more intelligent than the others
you are still no more intelligent than the others
don't you understand anything that goes into a person's mouth
coronavirus will say whether it is into me body say toilet you say then you Anything that goes into a person's mouth
goes into his stomach.
And then
out of his body.
Then
the things that come out of the mouth.
But the things that comes out of the mouth
comes from the heart. And these are the things that make a person ritually unclean.
These are the things that makes a person ritually unclean.
For from this heart.
From this heart.
For from his heart. Come the evil ideas.
Which
lead him to kill.
Commit adultery.
And do other immoral things. To rob. Lie. And slander others. These are the things.
These are the things
that make a person unclean.
But
to eat without washing your hands.
But to eat without washing your hands,
as they say you should. This doesn't make a person unclean.
Bacho, you are who femu ahotie, ene hunam femu ahotie. Untumi nkondeme baako emfem praise baako. Eya wrong. Tina 3 John 2 say odofo me yimpa ye say ade yina mu ensi wo yie ana se die si wo kre yie no. Untumi praise nti emu achemienu enkremofo efa physical cleanliness. Say obegure urade enim no physically obe wash no once wakwa urade enim. Christopher de akomana dada akumemu ho bie akumemu ho bie sa ubie wakumemu a obema beshi memuso. Hey, people like ayebio o dada akumemu ho bie bachao. Say yes, me urade wa akomem. O kontena choba to fufuo ni nkatenkwan na di no akomem. What you say? To Jesus na ka so onro ne nsa dada ho. Ya ko check here, people like maninsu. The way you about Quran, also be typing the way you are disproving the Bible, take it to the Quran. Why can't you new come our house? Your friend say, okay. Oh no, can say cremophone, yeah, can Bible, no, yeah, Okra Victor, yeah, Quran, so pay justice here. Fire Oja. So for no can yi cause you have alarm no chen nungwa so ono power ono si ono power coronavirus by people like or the hand sanitizer esisi na so dan no when you see the brew fire oja fire eyi emframa when you see the brew mo buni pasa ena ma kenere Japan yes no mo drop case no you to ne channel. Why? Can Japan yes now fight my you to know yes now you been your win every can Japan you to know your person your jibudi even some of the youth you try your praise you be friend now Canada Japan me one abaso o man pay Canada Japan you will be no your jibudi akukudro na one and you depend the best yes now if you have the power to bring evil people down, do it. What it? Forget your father for no so in Ghana. O father for in Ghana. Be black. Young coach Jesus what you want run inside. You are NCC Quran. Luke chapter 11 verse 37. Obienti.
Luke 11:37.
Luke 11:37.
Na okasano.
Tie. Jesus he preach obienti. Na Jesus erikasano. Pharisee ni bi hu say Jesus he preach. And no say Jesus say who preach we are brefie bedidi o konya free food dedi obi fie brabe didi ka boni bi ani kan na hwe
na okomu otna ase
and Jesus se koi and Jesus Jew fo ne nso owura obi fie a e wo say wo ye den o horo wonsa and Jesus se kwatena ase
na Pharisee ni ehu say
na Pharisee ni hwe Jesus and ohunu say
wa horo ne nsa ase na odie no
Jesus an wo horo ne nsa and was starting say odidi hey sana on the way training asuya for the south Jesus tina table minim say no come na di no say na we nya hangover because Jesus no nsa kakra ti minim e bia na okoye mix na hangover won say hangover so Jesus no nsa Mark chapter 7 anamebwa Luke 7:33 ana Jesus no nsa ti
Luke 7:33. Luke 7:33.
Luke 7:33.
Na wasi.
Yes.
Na you responding no aba.
Jesus say John the Baptist waba.
Onidi.
John the Baptist ondidi.
Na ono monsa.
Na John the Baptist onomonsa.
Na mo se owo mbone.
And na mo say John the Baptist onomonsa ntino owa ahombone.
Onipa ba aba.
Onipa ba Jesus maba.
Onidi.
Me didi.
Na ono.
Na me twa bi.
And na mo say.
And na me amididi amesa no monsa no. Mo say. Hwe.
Onipa odidifo.
Onipa didifo. Ene nsanomfo. Tojifo. Ne bonefo adamfo. Jesus no twetwa bi serious. Yenye ebu nti twetwa de ebufo bi anim ja wi a ja one bottle bi a e de cool temperature ne ya pa ba bi the body na ye den ye de ato nti Jesus twetwa bi a wanya boni bi nti mi nim se me wo twetwa bi a e na hangover nti wan horo ne nsa P black start na kind you
Luke 11:37
Luke 11:37
na okasa no
na Jesus ye kasa no
Farisi ni ebi ebe share ne die
Farisi ni bi kase Jesus brafie be didi
na okomu kotna
e na Jesus kokotna ase
na Farisi ni ehunu se
na Farisi ni hunu se
ma ho le nsa ase na odie no
Jesus san wokro ne nsa oduru kwa twetwaw e na Jesus yi didi no eyi nti Farisi na ene wanwa ku dwine se yi brade Farisi ni na nkasa o eya na wanwa se o na Jesus pa nyankopon ba mua wo be didi onhoro wonsa aye ne wanwa keke no hwede Jesus be ye no toaso
na Erade ka chense
e na Jesus ka kire Farisi ni se
na afi mo Farisi fo de
na afi mo Farisi fo de
no ho kuwa
no didi o wanhoro ne nsa o me pa chawo wo ba 7 years na abofra 7 years no obedidi wanhoro ne nsa na udi weni ehwe no kra na wo man umuna kire na akoda no obedidi watem anaba horo ne nsa Jesus Farisi ni na nkasa o aye ne wanwa keke udi yamfa ne se Farisi ni kra kase oh Jesus pa chawo wanhoro wonsa na wudidi a anka we waye bone Jesus dane ne nia mo hwa adapa Farisi ni beje twato ena Jesus ka che Farisi ni no no na aduane a wenye bi di na wanhoro ne nsa se afei mo Farisi fo de odi o mo huru mukruwa ene mo tafre boto
na mo die
na mo Farisi fo mo mudie
emim ne bone ahye mo ma
emim ne bone ahye mo ma Jesus ka che Farisi ni se Farisi fo na yankwasiafo wona wanhoro wonsa no o se Farisi fo de yankwasiafo twa adapa no wie yo na nsa na wanhoro kaka hu ebufuo nti twa so kan
wase
enkwasia
enye de ye echi no ye emu nso
enye de ye echi e no ye emu ne nso na hwe na de egum no mumfe bi nye adoye na onya adoye a anko afro se bra be didi onipa na ya adoye wa kwotena wo didi eye wo nsa na wa kokoro atemni de be na wo twa so kan se den
wase eno na hu be fi
eno na ni nyina hu be fi amamo
na mo Farisi fo
o wie yo mo Farisi fo
munye se mo ma eme
munye duabo nyina bem munye se mo ma eme ene nunum
ene efa nyina so ntodudu
ene efa nyina so entoso dudu
na mo ja atemu Nyankopon do no
na mo ja atemu ene Nyankopon do ne ho
na we na ka ese mo ye
wei na ka wo se mo ye
na so ese mo
jai ba ko no de ka won nso enye se mo jai de ka won nso
na mo Farisi fo
o wie yo kokoro won sa keke na nwada pa ni o na mo Farisi na mo Farisi fo so munye se mo pempenyi fo tena bia e wo nhia dem ene edwam mo nam dwam a na mo gi nchia na munye
se mo se eda ende die
mo te se grave a ende die
na enipa wona so ihu no
na enipa nam so ni ihu no
na emachefo no ba akọ ebonse
enti Jesus adapana o twa Farisi fo no wa bo ekutia ene ekutia no ekotwi emrachirefo they were the Pharisees and they were the teachers of the law into teachers of the law ba quote anamebwa emrachirefo teachers of the law ba quote wono ono so ka den
was it
yes
na emrachirefo ba ko ebon say
na emrachirefo ba ko no so ti woka kire Jesus say o chachirefo Jesus asema wuke se woka sa
na obo yen so da pa
na yen so yeti ye ba bia yen wo hwe no o bo yen so da pa o na Jesus dan hu face no na o ka kire no so say
emrachirefo so
mo emrachirefo so mo su munue
se mo de enso a ye ya so nipa
se mo de enso e ya enso nipa na mo ankasa de
mo fam satia
mo fam satia ba kupon so ebi
na munue
na munue aden bon ben Jesus said di atamu ama obi o tin chen kra jibi e di asem kokoro wonsa wo na mo Christopher afede hand sanitizer ena wash your hand with soap and running water mo ani su na ebribri mo to Bible ne to twene e ya cake book Quran chapter 5 verse 6 we yankremoni ugidi ya churo book ne ka cha say Allah ne say ti na ade ya adwuma no hwa asem we say enne obi ka sem we kire wa sem nkremofo giade we di kremofo gidi Islam yade mo okro mo nsa mo okro mo ho after sex ne niama ba mesram Koran ka kire say wo baby a ensuo ni a fa dotie ye alwola ba cho dotie ye the sand e clean that sand e clean that sraw Nyankopon hyemra we ni meto ya kire de entia we bai Prophet Muhammad abraso no started song no all started song no ensuo no mo fenye Arab land baby bebre ensuo ni ho on a journey no water ana afena wode religion eteti omo a e bia metu kwan be 1 month no mo enye nsuo a meaning they will forget alwala because nsuo and ye force so mo fa dot ye nye alwala wo gidi enkremoni ban eno ono na mkrom no pe baby aye solid this 21st century no be sa dot ye dia alwala verse ni people akan
Quran 5
verse 6
was it oh you who believe
tie or see oh you because your true book ni say Nyankopon say enti malam imam bia quote Quran pe Allah says Nyankopon kasai e the Quran says book no say Nyankopon true book people akan
was it oh you who believe
when
you intend to offer as salat
mo amugidie no so pese wo ye asore wo ye sala
wash your faces
mo huru wanim
and your hands
and monsan
up to the elbows rub your heads
rub your heads
and wash your feet up to the ankles
monan up to the ankle
if you are in a state of janaba
that
is after sexual discharge
say woni obada and I say ohun esane a purify yourselves bath your whole body
but if you are ill on a journey
na say oyare if you are ill on a journey
or any of you comes from the ga'it that's the toilet
na and I say obi free toilet na wo ba
or you have been in contact with women
and I say only obaby akoda and how do one come baby
and you find the water
and na ensuo eniwa
then perform tayammum
with clean earth fadotie eye sala no in place of water wa ko toilet ye wi a ensuo na de wore ye ho dotie na de wore ye ho baby you see fensuo de okay but one ka soap one ka anoka soap Kola ne ka soap one ka soap se fa dotie eye sala ana fa dotie purify ho but to ye the dotie purify ho eye indoctrination na Canada Japan ka no e wo book mu ene ye de atetew ene wutum ene wagye di ye kan say Allah says Allah bianka hwe misraw Nyankopon bianka hwe obi ne creative religion ene ode ne megu book ni paper mu nyina chaw you were the age of information, the age of technology. If you choose to believe these ancient books are a wasem, we a buphobia nim, ubeji dia gidi, the American opafa, jai, as simple as ABC, a riase konenim, minia, a riase, a konenim. What's it? Mwenim now, you focus, you won't save your Bible anymore. This is the time of tuning egu, where you're Christian and family, you're Christian. Future generation will come and accept this message. Religion will be over. I started the awakening, the age of awakening is here. Enlightenment. We are in the age of awakening until enlightenment. Why? J. Krato, some more advert, CSF, your number that one. More supportive movement. Yeska, at the Aquaji app. Said you almost step your Facebook near the Ninja Facebook. And by announcement, near Aquay app. So 24/7 streaming. Sram app now ready. Kabe 20 to 30,000 Ghana. Your G app now. Your G app now. I thought to computers. Your debate streaming. Sram Momwa. Now, next level. You won't pay you for the come China. Or maybe Yesikano. But every gift come with a price. After the banner, you may campaign. No, the brother better by Yana Koto Abamo Pimpachao. What's your name? Showabrabo, Nafatuaba. That's all. The Becachano, Showabrabo, Nafatuaba. And Amunasi, Quajen Kratwani Ambra, more fire. We did the Bianim, Fadrotier, Cachao, a soft one. When you was a film from Mammy repeated, I'm repeating. So for one in here, and I say, why ye be squad in the war. You probably could pen a in the film Apostle Joseph, or no pen a in the free line in team, the Latin Apostle film. Archbishop Duncan Williams, 72-hour fasting, hours fasting, all the way in Tino. Yeah, Pastor Mensa Witabel, foolish born again Christians. That Hayward Mills. That Hayward Mills. Wait. Don't answer 1. Don't answer 2. Don't answer 3. Don't answer 4. Don't answer 5. Upon way. Upon one the tally water. Upon what the miniano. My man more fire. Upon way. Upon what the man fire crying. Upon more. Mini papa. CSF chairman. You want your back home. So where comes in the Mako should be patch out. So Ghana nyina Christosum nyina ni makwase oh onyame se ni doso kwase nyame se no e doso Ghana todo kwase nyame se ni doso Ghana todo bia pese yehusu yes me kasa mi sro bia pese yehusu we difo onyame na so shem kom ya kopacha wana se oh what be that oh what be fine me fa na eli ahwe se onyame se me masna me ka to na me buanti kwa na kopacha TF upon was upon what you were special fans. Yaba angel I warfare Wobinim Obinim so your man France back on Obinim and then I saw for no mom France and they say Obinim Jody.
Everybody tell everybody that the news is fake. Obinim has come out. Obinim has come out that the fake is news.
Jeffrey Bishop Obinim Swa. Now you call Dr. Lawrence Tete. Yeah. Bedu kubina jasro. Wako pacho. Bedu kubina shawon. Yeah. Ajina Sari. Last but not the least, my one and only best friend, the undisputed, the most anointed man in the land, the blessed man, my paddy, my friend, Akunta Madamfo, friend of friends, Adamfua, Ojina Adamfuechi, Adamfua, me say, oh, me woman, me bomb ya Madamfi, hey. Reverend Isaac Usubempa, Madame for Bako Pet. Yeah, some money fans, Macho, we are fans. Mobianco, never been Casse, Avram, ADD Atemo, me Pacho. Why? We are your fans, why? Are your fans, Pacho, me Pacho, we attempted dear Bianim, Sremoa, why? Pamacho, we fans, and I'm a man, why? Till my boss, one, oh, you're fast, Nabra. Abba, no Mutizan. As of now, I can answer said they can't lie, leave police out, don't force them. We are not forcing them. Minimum or a common sense member. I wouldn't have no, we are not forcing them. Allegation has been made. Who now on this will be catcher or say what or tomorrow? Who go you one? Or baby the best say one nana or I do the name as what I got tomorrow. And I said, would you win young? Would you wear that lay young? Won't go for you one? Ah, Yanni, I can't say be a minimum to or so for. Make can send be beginning no. They can say yes, show saying. Ye program say ana sara from Bemushi no ne crofo ba omu na church omu no be church on sense omu dey na phone omu dey fake account omu be church on some phone omu na go yes abi na we bibi and that be better from Bemushi no ye be say obe survive e bi so better no pe wa kasance no crofo na bo mu anya san kwase ade no onu eno koso ayo no a mo say begin no me kan say akwa bi crofo na be enya kan na phone na yes how eye afam be mo she no ne nkofo no mu di say adwuma no na tie na ye ogana papa no mu je ne car ya ne na kasa no ko yi so for na na ko se ne na kasa wonim say ne car no huni amepese ni busa ko say police for ne say e di papa ne car no mu hwehwe de e ya pese papa no so car CSF for why ya ako commentia edimia akwakoto asemu ba chawo yemma eyi so fans kakra wai Duncan Williams pamu chawo anse ya jenkrato.
I'm declaring a 72 hours prayer. There come a time when we must demonstrate and show who we trust. It's either we trust God, believe God, or the arm of flesh. Ladies and gentlemen, this virus is an imminent danger. It's danger against humanity. It's a conspiracy against the human race. It is evil. That's why we will not put our trust in the arm of flesh. That's why we shall call upon the name of the Lord. For it is written, whosoever shall call upon the name of the Lord shall be delivered. Say yes. And I am calling for 72 hours prayer beginning from tomorrow, that we will pray to secure our airways, to secure our borders and our high seas and our waters and rivers, that the plague will not enter this country, that the virus is not accessing our airways, that there will be no loss of any life.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Who approach memu na upobia to bibi friga na mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye pa baako na eton, upe laser enye pa baako na eton, upe ketia enye pa baako na eton. Bibi bia upe bia no enye pa baako na eton. Omu wanya ye friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wabia nso a enche kura na wonsaka. U America, UK, Canada. We are here for 9 na bibi bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no ayes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In. Bam.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.
Abusiafo mamuna akwaba mama akwaba bedamu ase CSF misramu mo amukọ amanfo platform so a ekoda ne atodidi ne misramu munjai floating movement yen sheda ni me members obetu aka se be CSF ni na wejai so anti mama nyana mu amota follow ye no obi nka say ye pese edidi amanfo atama na yi why maybe phone lines no e pa mo chew CSF esrem a momboa movement no e pa mo chew bebre maybe phone lines me fa be ye 2 and 3 calls pe why nema ye comment nyina ho nte once say a common sense family no yama de be bia no portray wisdom, knowledge, intelligence. Baby a CSF no be comment bia no in show difference mesrem a e pa mo chew baby be comment bia no enchire nyansa why me peke course be ye mienu miensa why ti Pacho, mon subscribe to your YouTube channel, so no my why. Pamungina acho, mon subscribe my why. Common sense family. Na eya mon share YouTube videos no so my. Ya na mon share YouTube videos ne so my na emboa na bibia antumi konkan kama ema movement no. Hello.
Yeah, Pacho, good evening.
Yeah, Pacho, udini baby akasafi.
Your family out me free US, Columbus, Ohio.
Yo. Pacho, CSF 40.
Me kakra no what can I say? My question is into idea a message now, powerful message now the ban. And pay for na ya omutie.
Omo frame nyina so mutie o. Say do do na atie.
Me Pacho sanitation ministries no. Omo secretary no omo minister na dia omutie.
Ya rago semo.
Because senior, one of the most powerful message I would buy recently about related to sanitation ministry.
Yes.
The minister so.
Yes.
Say pasa omutia. Masa and sema okay from A to Z. In nenya sase.
Say
Akufado. I mean, you said like the way you can say Tana na say boni di too much you. Ye na be so man ye.
Menya no ye body dim cry ye disa ye bo mugo opposition mo the party in power or man penny catch and say we should be citizens not spectators. Wow.
Senior, some message you buy not even a single word that you film just it make sense. Ghana also be say Accra the cleanest city in Africa.
Yeah.
Papa say Accra the cleanest city in Africa. It won't take him more than 3 months because on money woman say mraye aduma. That's what you for mu go here sanitation court. Your sanitation court obia tun re go baby na ya tena ya capture e de ne kwa. Youth and the youth touching a promote lottery daytime na stations like Abdom FM near that no more yard bet about lottery they gambling near that other than create some avenue pia and no even more benefit than your friends say we message out the my and you just more pay attention other than your trauma ya yes say be a win
sad
trash cans you're trying to send that's been you're trying to send. Not even would they just Accra and mass other cities. You hear anything? Senior, Mr. say, I'm Pastor Mutia. I dear Bakwa, Mr. Pass. Next time, you better not sanitation ministry, no, or more picking just 1 cent from that message now will give you, because from A to Z, it's somehow can perfect. And it's very easy.
Yeah, very pretty, sad video, no crowd watching now.
And I mean, you say be a medaveti issue. No, my own say is it train ministry and I said Joe Gadi, that man is doing a job. We should all just support him. My own say all your project built by a train system. No, and even from Accra to Kumasi to Takrady, Accra to Takrady, and that train system here, Duma. Unnecessary accidents is so grown or quanos no.
So better. Yeah.
I am paying for now sometimes. Omu say ya green ye man, I said, and that's a movie said, yeah, man, no, like, take advantage on that all the time. How? Senior, basic things. Sanyama, we are all them. They should protect you. They should take you and hide you somewhere. NPP administration, no take the advice from you. Not those who are for the advice and the mama and paying for. It's a more if in America, I said,
Yakasano, you're paying for the Jabende, Yakasana, Quasiani,
because like the your money city, we don't like just one single mineral resource. I didn't say a brain. Matra Singapore, Permanent Singapore, Koshe Krumu, even common shoes, so cray no brown mokra, apple or mokra. Last time, not Philippines, I said, I know Philippines, I know Argentina, and in so many places. Then, and Nam said, Yabeshem, Ran, Petit, Swamaya, Katia, Pussy, the behavior, no be expectation of people used to, in moral instance, I had the right to know. The law must work. That law now we have in that country, it must work. Senior, it must work. And as citizens, in Chumana Yebano, the youth, the behavior, ideology. I am there is a big problem in it. Some are good, others are not.
Yeah.
Just pay attention to change. A country not the getting people desert, so nay, swim, nay, she be too much. Massa, who yet my support it, not to say, I never was able to TV so.
Yeah,
TV is so dear, or say it to me. And to me, Jam will be so. My man, it's not perfect. And you can say, the first coronavirus to see us that you are practicing hygienic way of living.
Dabi. Hello.
Yeah.
Bacho, we didn't be our Casafi.
Me Casafi US.
Bacho.
Indian better kakra. Me regular callers, serial callers, a man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. Me tired the Ghana number free. Me contribute so me monthly didn't money. Mama so them. Na me buy no me better say na woman so for the fans. Na ba ko bi farmer so me no na me ni age ho ampese me ka ho kakra na me ko so na me tie program no. Anyem bia pa chowo mo mama ni say CSF members ye Russia for and I say Chinese for.
The oka say wait enya Ghana for na
I mean doesn't make sense. Well, so what kasabe bria sa na ebo. Well, asema wo kaso David omunye Ghana for Avram we say them we say omo the fake. I mean, you see who can say Mr. Wow show. Lily Passy, Obedina saw them no kwesiada, also Kanya Miasa Machiro. Avram Crawford, Omunya Ghana for Nampacho, Momu dear for.
Yeah, Afghanistan for.
Afghanistan for. Dabinanka Kanka, so Omuya Afghanistan for, and I say, Omuya Russians, and I saw we Chinese, and I said, ye aliens are ye free, you can't say, ye free to be nearby. Ye Ghana for.
The more enlightened you become, the more foolish you sound to ignorant people. Wow. Omu yes every different planets about.
And it's true, maybe he's right.
Yeah.
Was spiritual realm say yeah no. And now I'm a proud foreigner, CSF, the CSF member because me who say 77 brothers and you are doing new form.
Your mentality is different from Ghanaians. Yeah, you're doing different from Ghanaians. That's how they see us. Yeah, Tiasempa na wakano, Asempa na so for nakano. We are not joke. Asempa na wakano because said your Ghana ni bia was so no different. Yeah. adwen yi adwuma Sramwam say line asa jami nipa be 7,000 egu line so ntem say ajami sad CSF mon support movement no mon support hello yeah we didn't be akasa fi
your friend JK akasa free London
bacho yetio
da sepa ne juma pa Obama o my Ghana ba say me juma hospital na wo hwe yare na eku amanfo mu nanim say ngofo tu awu mo woda mo woro enye say bia Ghana ye betena ho ama yare na agi ensem ansana yakase ye so anu omo nim nyansa na ebia ebete wase de nim nyansa so no ebeka say bia ye nkwata sem na wudi because omo say wa attack religion no ntino the obeka no ebinum ain't taking it serious baba jumba for no 8 year ombe say you are really making sense yeah ni be bie our message no ye ni abia ba me stress CSF nyina na say mommy amwa at least no so aja me ba mu acha kakra ba ye ntoto ye na mo wife ye ntoto ye so ma church nen kakra oyaji movement na atum and ye homwa kakra na eja wati yanka ni JK ntia ya meta e comment we no so pa ndi e show ndi also ni adwuma pa wo bo no chirima say ye nya eso mfaso kra na ye mba ye bo wo mu achiri no e be nya so faso
that's it
so me that's it.
Hello. Bacho
Abraham.
Bacho dini baby akasa fi. Mentie ho Abragosen yeah. Oka se free.
Yeah. Me can say to US.
Yo Bragosen.
Abraham me.
Yeah. Boko. Who show this so?
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Me who show this so ATO.
Oh, okay. Jamaica me simple. Jamaica say a candidate ya very criticism. Yeah, solution team. Me no Mr. Shanka. Young padre. Solution better call your leaders, lady man. Like they want to understand it and do it. You know, I'm trying to. I'm very free that game.
Uko US na nsenya refugee. Uko US na nsenya jaitu no. Uko US na nsenya refugee by.
Me teach you that. What am I baby? Maybe 10 years into our year.
Okay.
Okay. So that's what I want to say. Like, say your first solution, we will actually think about something that they will finally agree to it. But like I said, you better say, okay, what they are doing is not working, and then we are criticizing them and all that. You know, they will keep on doing it because sometimes we have certain things within the human body that the brain works in a certain way that the moment you are trying to criticize the person, it's like he's opposing it in a way that as if you are trying to be smarter than him or her. So they rather want to agree with you on things that you agree with them. So to me, you know, that's the root, because I've been thinking about the movement and everything. I realized that the best solution is that you better okay,
say na mpanyinfo no omo pɛnti
ya was mpanyinfo no ye nyina omunim enye so omunim abro no omo boye che the only thing is say you cry the power until you behwe the best way forward. I don't say you make kasa or omo do man na ombetie ye eno munim say de ka no so ye no kre until the h no afrem na ideas will be now the aba.
All right. Okay.
Hello. Hey, shun them all.
Hello.
Hey, my beloved son. Shun them all.
Oh, Boga, Michelle, Boga. Asemele came on. Moyo nyara shishin so Boga. I am your there. You want to connect the name.
Udi na baby aka
Shun them all.
Yeah, aka
Italy.
Oh, Charlie. Ese corona nim.
Oh, Boga, Muntumumpoyo. Muntumumpoyo. No city are they. The other day I'm sure. The next day now 206 in a wheel. She's a work of 418 or sign wadi. Of wo would then cocoa to ambulance or back on one person. If you want to connect the benefit debia by a malaria benavia or to the malaria maybe I am coffee in a woo bugger. Sadam so can we want so compare it will even at one elbow. Any down one to do and we may on other ways now and pay for it by now we close borders airport debia one general bugger on general malaria for Ghana put hospital bed I know hospital bed I know with Isia Nankadamadi or what one wa Ghana or Baga yo metasis am se wuna mo se survive na mo survive mo se mu to Isia mo family one of the mew obiani Baga ya wade no obiani twini no nti Ghana wona won se we hu de bibi dem lo kodo ha o tira we fast na we den we fu now and sana why too late because if in the news all kodo wa profana after the one blacks no company debate but you there what poison him but on is wow Napoli too or foot 27 the way we camp the banana bro what come on camp two we boga melisle asemele can wish you joke melisle mpinyu for Ghana nya se wolite melislan one pa iluwa o abofun oluwa melisle mo abrochi na melikasa mo Italy na melikasa melislan one pa abeg e bi olite ni bia melisle hand sanitizer 100 million mpo obese wo sinde egbu na ejiskan wo melisle mpinfo one bua ekoni be botu afade we save o man bia melisle skan onye bibia melisle ma Abraham ole kenya nyansa nkotin se nyi potu ewu msi san campaign for steady simple for parliament wana ka se wona betu ewu man ka biala steady melisle meje woni sade ya na obi so up line do ai
Charlie show them edase ya rogo semo young boy kasa free Italy. Hello
Abraham.
Yeah, bacha we last caller we didn't be kasa free.
Our friend is kasa free US.
Bacha yeti boss.
Oh, what me contribution kakra me de ba programs me buy na mo do akiri a ba me TV tino afina ma projuma kakra me wo kan say oh de me hu say Ghana ye mpanyimfo no mo ho ni nyina no mpanyindie na ebeto wo mo kwan mu we mu enye mpanyimfo be democracy no eso mfaso a yenya ene saade we enti saade a kasa mpanyimfo we mu nyina no I don't think say omu deserve say o say komudi yeso oh de making na me ya say Papa J baby a woduru no on to me say amabiem enti nkwase abuo ono muguso a omu buye sa omu nnim pa pefe say de omu ye ni nyina no enye ade bo a oman no na emum omu interest mu ana omu ye den ana omu hwehwe oh de making yes enti me personal no de me hunu say sa de we mu nyina na ade a betimi asesa on adwene aye demonstration I was say call mo so Egypt omu ye bi saa military we na say o Egypt president say o eti Ghana the whole year we no e good pa u bia adwene mu o ma ye hu nyama bia ni so by paying for no adwene be sesa no I will say word more than this eti kakra metima kan eno na Abraham
nya da also ase na wadwen kire da say beye kakra CSF da mu nyina ase on support movement no why yentie de akoso Italy na yemfa bibia mbrebe.
Italy has reported the highest one-day death toll from coronavirus than any other country. Officials said nearly 500 people died on Wednesday. Videos posted on social media are said to show military trucks in the city of Bergamo preparing to transport the dead to nearby cities. Mortuaries and crematoriums in Bergamo have run out of space. Medical teams from China have arrived to help authorities fight the virus. The governor of Italy's hardest-hit region made this appeal to medical students and retired healthcare workers.
I want to appeal to all.
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Park treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Park treated drinking water. Paradise Park treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Online store for buy your friend abiexpress.com. Who approach memu no pobia to be free Ghana mawa and how hukra. And one is a ubeko online. Now what type it www.abiexpress.com. Now me say open taria enye nipa baako na eton upe laser enye nipa baako na eton upe ketia enye nipa baako na eton bibi bia upe bia no enye nipa baako na eton omu wonya ye friend multiple vendors. Now me say uto wade nso a enche kura na wonsaka u America, UK, Canada, we are for 9 na bibi bia wo bia no ombe shipi wunyama no dia bro in no time. Now me say Abi Express no yes a makola ewo online abiexpress.com kai say abi ni ABBI abiexpress.com online store papa abiexpress.com all in one source ampa.
Hi, Patrick.
Yes, thank you. Wow, you guys are so efficient. You're always on time.
At Drop-In, we pride ourselves on being efficient. We make sure our riders are happy with our services.
That's great.
But Madam, how did you hear about Drop-In?
Oh, I saw a post on Instagram. I've been using Drop-In since. How about you?
I saw a post on Facebook and I decided to give them a call to see if I could work with them. They've been so great. I just received another request on the same route.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, with Drop-In, you can share a ride and pay less than the actual amount.
Charlie, Drop-In has finally dropped. So, download it now on your Android or iPhone and ride safely and conveniently. Charlie, you for take Drop-In.
Drop-In, your convenience is our drive.